welcome to my channel, beauties. How are you? So today we're gonna be talking about eating and being healthy. So one of the most difficult things that I used to find, apart from the food, was that I have a very big sweet tooth. And this was always putting me back in the case that I was eating healthily and I was being healthy. But at the end of the day, the cravings started to kick in for the sweets. And that is where I used to binge on most. Now, when I started doing healthy treats for myself to indulge in every day, because I have better sweets, better than store-bought sugary sweets, healthy sweets with alternative to sugars like honey. Now, for me, the bee products have helped me a lot. They have helped me increase not only my immunity, but they also help in a way to clean the body, to clear the body of toxins as well. It helps our kidneys, our livers, our thyroids, our brains to function more properly. It also helped my body, my gut, function how it should be. So I also use this in a lot of food. Now, an important thing, a very important thing on honey is that it should be eaten raw. That is for pure honey, once you maximize it to a 45 degrees Celsius, that's where all enzymes die. And this is by nature. All enzymes die at 45 degrees Celsius, and so do the honey enzymes. Now, these are the enzymes that are giving us the benefits for our body, made by the bees themselves. So, from me, thank you for all the bees in the world, and let's help to protect them more. Now, today I will be showing you how you can create with this beautiful product, honey, some very good desserts and treats that are not only helping us to stop our cravings from sugary sweets and store-bought sweets that don't really give us nutrients to the body, and make sweets that are giving nutrients to the body to help us even more in building more muscles, getting all the vitamins in, and makes us feel stronger and better. So today we are going to do these bowl protein honey treats. I hope you will enjoy this. Leave a comment down below if you would like to see some other treats, or as well some healthy food options. Let's get started. I hope you enjoy these bites and these delicious treats. Drop me down below a comment to tell me if you like these more than store-bought treats. If you do, then maybe we can make some more. Cook with me again, healthily, nourishing our body in the most delicious and loving way to ourselves, because food gives us nutrition and it gives us energy and strength to live throughout the day. Thank you. Till next time, I'm Rebecca, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you very much.